Hello everyone, welcome to ClickStart. In this lesson, I will show you how to turn in assignments in your Google Classroom. So let's get started. At first, you have to sign in your Google accounts. Then go to the Google Apps and left click on it, and then you will get your Google Classroom. So click in your Google Classroom. This is your Google Classroom, and in your Google Classroom, you have to enter any classes. So I'm going to enter this class. After entering your class, you can see the assignments and notifications are going to be posted in the stream. And also you can see over here on the left upcoming all assignments or notice. So if you want, you can click here, or else you can click view all. You can see here all the assignments. So click on it. Next, click on view details. Then you can see this page. So in this page, you have to add or create your documents. At first, you have to read the instruction and you have to complete your task as per the given instruction. After completing your given task, at first you have to save your documents in your desktop or laptop, or you can save it in your Google Drive. Then directly go to the right side, and here you have to submit your task. Left click on add or create button. Then you will get the options. If you kept your file in your Google Drive, then you have to click Google Drive, or if you kept your file in your desktop or laptop, then directly go to the file and click on it. Then you will get here the options, so you have to click upload option. Then again click the browse. If your given task is MS Word or MS PowerPoint or any images, so easily you can upload this file. If you saved your any documents in MS Word, then you can add the MS Word file directly. Here I am taking one MS Word document. Select it and click it open. Have a look. My MS Word document has been added. In this way, you can add more files or folders. Again click on it, go to the file. Now you have to browse where you kept your file. Here I want to save one PowerPoint file. Look, here I added two files. One is for PowerPoint and another one is MS Word. So in this way, you can add your any documents. After adding your documents, you have to click turn in option. So left click on the turn in. Then you will get one final message that you want to turn in or not. Then I want to turn in. Look, my document has been submitted. In this way, you can submit your any documents in your Google Classroom. If you like this video, like, share, comments, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.